everybody. Welcome to So Fresh Tuesday. So this time we pulled off of the floor a little bit because we are in the middle of a shop hop. So today is January 28th. Can you believe it? January is almost over. Seems like it's been going on for a little while, but we're kind of excited that we got our Flurry Frenzy going on, so we thought we'd bring it back here to a little bit more intimate. This is where we do our Facebook Lives. So I have a great line that we got in from QT Fabrics. It's called Daisy Doodle. Like, it's the perfect, it is so, my long arming heart loves this line. So first and foremost, we have, I'm gonna have Mark move this a little bit closer so I can show him just a little bit closer for you guys. So, yep, perfect. So right there, oh, perfect, look at that. We're gonna be nice and close. This is good. So this is Daisy Doodle. I love that background, that it's white, and it's definitely a white background. This is $14.96 a yard, QT Fabrics, nice and soft, like all of those colors. Just wait till you see the rest of the line. This is really fabulous. So, here's the blue with that same design. Fun. When you get in there, you can see all the different colors in the leaves right there. So much fun. And then we have these great stripes right here, both in the turquoise and red, but it still has that lime green that's run through it. I love the lime green. Scoot these a little bit closer for you so you can see that lime green. The lime green is just amazing. This would make fabulous binding. For sure, this is fabulous binding. So, but even at that, it'd make a great border. Here we go with the checkers now. All right, Mark's moving around a little bit so we can keep up here. Look at those fun colors. The teal that's in there, the dark teal, lime green. Love those two. And then we have some like all overs. Let me get this right here. We have the dark blue and the light blue. Again, with those leaves that read with the lime green and the dark teal flowers. It's fabulous. I love the little swirls in this right in here. The little swirls are fabulous. And again, this fabric is super soft. Great to work with. All right. Then we just have this fabulous, fabulous lime green. Look at that guy right there. So on it, if I can scoot in, trying to watch here, has a great little design, just a little subtle design on there. So it does add some depth. Love it. Then we just have some doodling. Doodle doodle. Look at those two colors, the blue and the white again. Fabulous. And oops, sorry, just didn't mean to mark. I hit this here. Oh wow. I love these two. I love this one here, how the lime leaves pop out. And then here, I love how the dark teal pops out. These are a fabulous line. Again, QT Daisy Doodle, $14.96 a yard. So that's what's fresh and new. Let's talk about what's fresh and new for a sale item. Are you excited? So this is going to be on sale for 2 weeks from January 28th. This is a line that is, I really love this line. This is not part of that line. Somehow that got in there. It's always great on the floor how things get mixed in. But this here is Drawing Room. The Drawing Room by Pat Sloan. So it's going to be 25% off. It is normally $14.96, and right here, if you love paisleys, this is a fun one. There's your paisleys. And along with that here, let me see if I have some more paisleys. I do. Let's show you another paisley right there. So this is just a dark gray with a light gray. And this is from Benartex. So we have this beautiful one right here, along with this one right here. So here's your two squares. I have one more square. Can you get that one for me, Mark? Right here. So if I put this one in there, so we have these two, And then we have this one, the brown for your squares. Isn't that fabulous? I love the little designs inside the medallions, inside the squares in here. This guy's my favorite. And here is another one of the squares, a little bit more muted, but let me turn this around. Isn't that yummy? I think it's beautiful. So I just love this little hint right here of some lighter gray and some browns, just a hint. So if we pull it back, you can see some of it, but it's not as, I just think it's fabulous. This would make a great background, I think. All right, and then we have some dots, because dots are fabulous. We have one more here. Oh, we've got one over there. All right, look at these 3 dots right here. So you have the brown on dark blue, on light blue, the beautiful flowers there. We have one more square we just forgot about, and I just found it. This reminds me of a bandana, but it's so fun, isn't it? And then last but not least, we have some great fabrics that would make a focal point or a fabulous border. For sure, these are great fabrics. They're going to be 25% off starting January 28th today. And other than that, check back, watch us live on Thursday on Facebook and on an Apple app and Android app. If you look up Fabricbash, Thursday, 6 p.m. Central Time. We'll have kits and pre-cuts for sale.
What's the app called?
Fabricbash.
No.
So Fabricbash has an app under Android and Apple. Download those and you're going to get notifications as soon as we go live. If you want notifications, because sometimes I need to be reminded, is we have a sign up for on our fabricbash.com. You can put in your email. You can also put in your phone number for a text. I send out text only for when we go live on Facebook on Thursday nights, just to give you a little heads up, because I need gentle reminders. Other than that, if you can like and subscribe and share, we're going to have some great videos coming. We have classes coming out, and we look forward to 2025 being a great year.